Hey everyone, it's Chris over at Springs Law Group coming to you today to talk about an interesting and obscure and hopefully helpful Colorado traffic law. So today I want to talk about parked cars, and if you find, that you somehow have run into and hit a parked car, what do you do? So that car is parked there, either there's nobody in it, and then the next question is, how do I kind of resolve this? Because I've definitely made property damage onto somebody else's car or truck or vehicle. And so if you leave the scene of the accident, and it's actually going to be considered a hit and run, so there's actually a proper procedure that you need to take and follow if you hit or run into a parked car. And so the first thing that you want to do is you want to try to find the actual owner of the vehicle. If it's parked outside of a restaurant or something, go into the restaurant and see if you can find who that person was and identify them. And then if you cannot identify them, you actually want to leave a note in a conspicuous place, which would be the easy one is on the windshield, and use the wipers to kind of hold it down. And then you want to leave information about yourself there, such as your name, your address, and your registration number, so that person can then contact you, your phone number, cell number, so they can get in contact with you so that you then can help take care of any insurance issues or claims at that point in time. So do not leave the scene of a hit vehicle alone. And then after that, so if you can find the owner or if you leave the note, then what you want to do after that is you also want to make an accident report as if you were in an actual, with any other accident. You want to make a report to the police at that point in time too. And so there's a way that you can go about doing that as well. So one of the interesting things though too is that if you don't actually report this though, there are penalties though that can go along for this. I want to make sure that you understand what those are as well. So if you hit a parked car, an unattended vehicle in Colorado, it can be considered a Class 2 misdemeanor traffic offense. You could be subject to 10 to 90 days in jail and or a fine of $150 to $300. Doesn't matter whether the car is in a parking lot, on the street, or another location. So that's why you just want to follow those couple simple rules. Try to find the owner, or leave a note with your information on it so that they can contact you and you guys can get things resolved. And then also to file an accident report with the local authorities. So you do that, and then everything will be taken care of just fine in the proper sequence. But the big rule here is do not leave the scene of the accident because it will be treated as a hit and run. You don't want to go to jail just because you happen to leave the scene of this accident. And so that's our tip for today. Hopefully everybody's having a good day, and we will talk to you all later. Bye now.